Welcome to Ahavas Yisrael Daily. We're on the 10th chapter, part A. Eliyahu Hanavi, the ultimate peacemaker. Rav Yonasan Eibshitz writes that when saying the blessing of Hashiva Shoftenu, bring back our judges, one should have in mind that when Mashiach arrives, we will have a Sanhedrin once again. Why don't we have a Sanhedrin today? Moshe Rabbeinu gave the Simcha ordination for judges in the wilderness. Those judges gave Simcha to other judges, and that continued until the time of the Beis HaMikdash. Now we no longer have Simcha. The process cannot be reinstated, since one can receive Simcha only from someone who himself has Simcha, and thus the chain has been severed. If so, how will there ever be a Sanhedrin again? Rav Yonasan Eibshitz explains that there is one man still alive today who was ordained by Moshe Rabbeinu himself. That man is Eliyahu Hanavi, who was taken into Shemayim while he was still living, and he is still alive. Therefore, when the proper time comes, he will be able to ordain others. In the blessing of Hashivke Shoftenu, we ask, return our judges to us, and remove from us worry and groaning. A Jewish court system brings peace to the world. When Mashiach comes, all disputes will be resolved, whether monetary, interpersonal, and any other type. Thus, the establishment of the Sanhedrin is another way in which Eliyahu Hanavi will bring Shalom to the world. Additionally, the Ahavas Yisrael writes, Eliyahu Hanavi will resolve all unanswered questions in the Gemara, bringing clarity to halacha, which is another aspect of the peace that he will usher in. Thank you, and we'll continue tomorrow.